Eraban ngono ka police arina ko Karamoja eja kaiti Michael Longole nyizda balebe anyonu ne da geono rako kwa ina ibare na neo tumano Karamoja akitu kunedo lete ilukumni tomonoke da kwa tarekezda apone kokwar ida pidoskisa inyaku nwedo tosi lukumni kanyangon
tukunedo lete kalipionga tomon amia ngari kecha kwa yar agiawana na pia agiawana arem pedodi apeda ariang ka police ale mo nga tukune doliti ali pion kan ko mon akinya ko na lori ali pion kan ko mon amiat ang tomana kan kauni atom nang le doliti atom kan ko mon ang kan kauni ke chale mo na lori ay agiaw na pia giwne re operation mo mali umule dolita pe li put atom no mon ang ko mon le pitana na yato atamar ya wuniete no oy ya wuniete report nini ya police ya takanune takankarona takanunete
la yuara kesde bakas da bonebe atamakibere utende mot mamere berono kwada seka jar konyedo itunga ludo Karamoja kesda poti muase reporter loda itolo muntia police obakas da bonebe raile sabetelo tinoi.
These are liars themselves. They know they are already defeated. What the security is normalized when things are flaring up from how it was some 2 months ago or 1 month ago or 2 weeks ago. It cannot be compared today. Today is again the worst. Things are flaring. So what are they talking about? The security is normalizing how? When we are seeing helicopters here, the helicopter has not done anything. These helicopters we are seeing have not done anything.
Why do you see that? I don't know. Yala lata, lata na mata la neti. Uli abadi kwa idi, kwa betuli yala bena gelari yongo. Ngaya na yina tamar bena gelari yetu le kama. Yala la changi di abong. Goni mono changi ani chalo cha.
Kana I borea kano morcha dik no way. Arai epite kamunto tore ariang itunga. Tokona epotengi wayai to bilanga kaid anera makinio kech epote etengi dai no la nyeda tamar edicha yahata tare nitungalo apolad kanyumai
ido Captain Edwin Mawanda lode rai rabano kajore sad division nyisida bwili itunga mame ipapuka nare jaske saswam ngununu de beitos kesi.
We as UPDF and police, we on ground, and we encourage also the local leaders so that they can harmonize those issues which is affecting the community down there.
Godfred Eyoko, TV East, Karamoja.